With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A pendulum made of an insulated, rigid, massless rod of length L is attached to a small sphere of mass m and charge q. The pendulum is undergoing oscillations of small amplitude having time period capital T. Now a uniform horizontal magnetic field B out of the plane of page is switched on. As a result of this change, the time period of oscillations does not change. So what basically happens is, this is our magnetic field, and at each moment either the velocity is directed towards right or towards the left, depending on which direction the pendulum is going. Now the force on a moving charge due to a magnetic field is given by F is equal to Q V cross B. Now since B is coming out of the plane, so V and B have a theta of 90 degree at all times, which means the force or the magnetic force SB due to the magnetic field is always acting downwards, which means now this charge or this bob has two forces acting on it. One is its own weight plus the force due to the magnetic field, due to which the acceleration in the downward direction for this mass is going to change. And since in the expression for time t is equal to 2 pi root L by g, this g counts for the acceleration that is downwards, which is usually the acceleration due to gravity. It would be replaced by this new acceleration a, and therefore the time t will change. So the statement 1 is a false statement. Now the second statement is, a force acting along the string on the bob of a simple pendulum does not produce any restoring torque on the bob about the hinge. This statement is true because if it was producing a restoring torque on the string of the bob, then it wouldn't be a simple pendulum. It wouldn't be able to perform simple harmonic motion. So the statement 2 is true, which means the correct answer is statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.